is how to fix the clicking brake. Sometimes there's, and I'll show you here in just a second, but sometimes you'll notice the brakes might be slipping down a little bit when you jog or hit a bump. The first thing you're going to need is just a standard screwdriver. The second is a pair of pliers, but I'm going to use a tool that we have for another product, but pliers will do just fine. The first thing you're going to want to do is flip your stroller over and then remove both rear wheels. You just push down on the lever here, pull it straight out. Oh, we're going to do the same on the other side. So then you're going to see right in here, there is a nut and then a screw on the other side. So this, you're going to want to tighten this screw down, essentially is what we're doing. But in order to do that, you have to hold on to this nut here. So I just hold on to it, tighten down the screw. Now you don't want it to get to a point where it fully stops. It still needs to have some play. And then you can test the bar yourself. See how stiff it feels. We're going to do the same on the other side. So you just hold on to this nut here. Tighten down the screw. And right there I'm feeling resistance, so I'm going to stop. And you can feel it's a bit tighter now. So then you'll just put your wheels back on, flip it over, take it for a jog, and that should take care of that clicking noise.